Another student leader have been taken in custody in Kolkata. What's happening? Third student leader now has been held for the march in Kolkata. Kolkata cops are clearly cracking down on the protesting students. Student leaders Sayan and Shubhankar and Prabir. In total, three of them. Remember, Sayan Lahiri earlier was held, and then Shubhankar and then Prabir. Now, for the first one, the sources with the Kolkata police said that he was meeting some politicians just a day before the march, and therefore the charge of criminal conspiracy if he was a part of a larger gathering or larger plan against Mamata Banerjee government and the Bengal police. And now we are told 3 in total have been arrested. I want to go across immediately to my colleague Ritik Mondal on the ground in Kolkata. Ritik, good morning. Tell me this, that are all 3 confirmed to be students, student leaders? They're studying right now. Then why would they be taken in custody by the Kolkata police?
Well, good morning, Pooja. As you rightly pointed out, that yes, the people under the banner of Paschim Bango Chhatra Samaj, they held a march to State Secretariat on the 2 days back, and what you see with the charges of criminal conspiracy against the ruling dispensation, the government. Now cops are arresting people, and what we are precisely being told that total 3 people and organizers of this this much awaited, much talked about march have been arrested by cops. What are the charges against them? Police says that yes, there is a clear hunch that this march was politically motivated and absolutely illegal, and in order to create ruckus and disruptions in the city like Kolkata or in Howrah, this march was organized, and which is why they are identifying these people and they're picking them up. So it's also triggered a political row between TMC and BJP when BJP leaders, standing beside these organizers, and they claimed they even Sukhanto Majumdar, remember, he wrote to the governor, C.V. Anand Bose, requesting them that these people who organized this mass protest and being picked up by police should be immediately released by cops, and they also seek for a intervention for the governor. So that's what is happening, but police.
The latest on that, and also stay on with me, because what we have is the latest that is coming in. So that means 3 student leaders have now been arrested. BJP has been charging at Mamata Banerjee government, saying this is dictator Didi, while Mamata Banerjee has maintained that this is about sort of conspiracy against Bengal. Now, in the latest, what has happened is, while this political showdown is on, Mamata Banerjee has come forth to say Prime Minister Modi is using the Bharatiya Janata Party, and that to create and incite further violence across the state. She's added that if Bengal burns, entire nation will burn. She said that Assam, Uttar Pradesh, Odisha, Manipur, Delhi will also not remain untouched. So the chief ministers of these states, most of them BJP governing states like Himanta Biswa Sarma, N. Biren Singh, Mohan Maji, have hit out at Mamata Banerjee to say that this is her politics of hate and divisiveness. BJP also stepped up attack, saying, is she calling for a civil war to sow the seeds of hatred across the country for what's happening in Bengal? So let's listen in now to what the netas have to say across the parties, and why especially the BJP is charging at BJP and at TMC, and how the TMC is defending it.
मैं मोदी जी को गिरा सकती हूं, इतना ताकतवर लीडर बंगाल का है, वो सब बोल सकती है. She is now very scared due to massive mass movement against this misrule.
इनके खिलाफ छात्र ने आंदोलन की, उसके ऊपर जो प्रहार किया बंद हुआ, इनके गुंडों ने गोली चलाई पुलिस के संरक्षण में और उल्टे चोर कोतवाल को डांटे. ममता बनर्जी बीजेपी पर आरोप लगा रही है. ये गुंडों की सरगना वाली सरकार है, और आने वाले दिन में ममता बनर्जी को इसका खामियाजा भी भुगतना पड़ेगा बंगाल की जनता के साथ.
महामहिम राष्ट्रपति महोदया को कहना पड़ा कि बस अब बहुत हो गया. इसके बाद मुख्यमंत्री ममता बनर्जी वो देश को धमकी दे रही हैं. आपको प्रोटेस्ट से क्यों घबराहट हो रही है? ममता दीदी को क्या हो गया? पहले तो जो प्रिंसिपल कहता है ये सुसाइड है, और उस प्रिंसिपल को बचाने की कोशिश कर रही हैं।
बंगाल इस समय एक टर्बुलेंस से गुजर रहा है। वहाँ पर जिस प्रकार से सरकार खुद लिप्त हो गई है पूरे मामले में, और अपने आप को बचाने के लिए वह किसी हद तक जा रही है, गुंडागर्दी कर रहे हैं, वहाँ पर लोकतंत्र की हत्या कर रहे हैं। मुझे याद नहीं पड़ता कि कभी आज़ादी के बाद इस प्रकार की घटनाएं बंगाल में हुई हों या देश में कभी हुई हों। लोकमान्य तिलक ने प्रोटेस्ट किया था तो उन पर लाठीचार्ज हुआ था, इस प्रकार का शांति वाले प्रोटेस्ट पे, जिस प्रकार का कल हुआ और जिस प्रकार आज गुंडागर्दी हुई। तो अपेक्षा करते हैं कि बंगाल के गवर्नर साहब इसकी चिंता करेंगे कि बंगाल को इस गुंडागर्दी से और इस सरकार से बचाएं।
देख रहे हैं कोलकाता में बीजेपी वाले जो राजनीति कर रहे हैं, वहां बीजेपी की सरकार ना होने की वजह से बीजेपी बाहर में एक एटमॉस्फेयर को खराब करने के लिए रोजाना कुछ ना कुछ बीजेपी नौटंकी कर रहे हैं। हालांकि बीजेपी शासित राज्य में रोजाना रेप का घटना हो रहा है। आसाम में लास्ट एक हफ्ता में देखिए 15 से ज्यादा रेप का घटना हुआ। आसाम में बीजेपी की सरकार है, यहाँ बीजेपी के नेता क्यों बाहर नहीं आते? आसाम के जो ये लास्ट एक हफ्ता में 7 दिन में 15-18 बेटियों के साथ रेप का कांड हुआ। यहाँ बीजेपी के वर्कर्स को बाहर आना चाहिए, अपने सरकार के खिलाफ यहाँ तुम आंदोलन करो।
So I go across now to my colleague Ritik, who continues to be on the ground in Kolkata. Ritik, that these are some strong remarks coming in, but what is the reason? What has led Mamata Banerjee to say if Bengal is touched or if it burns, the fire will spread? What is she referring to? Because BJP CMs are saying, why are you trying to create tensions in our states?
Well, definitely, Pooja, let me tell you this. What was yesterday was Mamata Banerjee's first public appearance on a political platform since this horrific incident happened in Kolkata's Arjikar Medical College and Hospital. And her comment, her address to her partymen was very, very significant. And let me point out this thing, that this is perhaps for the first time since she came into power, she was stating, because remember, Mamata Banerjee said that when she came into the power with the call that there will be no revenge. The slogan was "Bodla noy bodol chai." We don't want revenge. We want change. But for the first time, Mamata Banerjee said this thing, and I quote: "I never